Welcome to Free Courses Mela Day 2. So don't want to make this video as long as yesterday. So I will be dealing with all of the courses and I will be explaining all of the opportunities as soon as possible. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first category which I choose was cyber security because I got so many requests about that also. So the first one is from Ellison and it is for ethical hacker, and this is like you won't be getting the certification, but you can enroll to this course and you will be getting to know whatever the modules will be there and whatever the topics you will be covering in this course. So these are the topics which you will be learning in this course: overview of the ethical hacking and all of these topics, hacking and attacking web technologies. So at the end you will be having the course assessment, but for certificate you have to pay. So as I said, I will be explaining how the Ellison works in my last video of the Free Courses Mela. Please be patient until that. Okay, this is for the ethical hacker and it is from Ellison. So let us go to the second course. So the second course is from OpenLearn, and I have already provided some of the courses from the OpenLearn before for the aptitude, and now I am providing the cyber security courses from the OpenLearn, and you will be getting a free statement of the participation of completion. You will be getting a certificate, and it is having 24 hours of the on-demand video, and it is an introductory course. In this you will be learning how to stay safe online. This is like a basic course, so you can enroll to this course. All of this course link will be provided in the blog, and blog link will be provided in the description, so you can see what you will be learning in this course. So this is the second course and it is from OpenLearn. So now let us go to the third course. So the third course is also from OpenLearn, but it is like advanced level network security, and it is advanced level, and you will be getting the certification also, and it is having 25 hours of the on-demand video. So you can see it is a advanced level course, and what you will be learning from this course learning outcomes, and you can enroll to this course. I will be providing this link in the blog. So this is the third course for the cyber security, and let's go to the fourth course, that is introduction to cyber security, and it is from Cisco, and I already made the video on my channel about this, how to enroll for Cisco courses. So if you haven't watched that video, then you can watch that video and you can enroll to this course for free. And this is a beginner level, you can see here, and this is from the Cisco, and this is the fourth course. And let us go to the fifth course. So the fifth course is cyber security essentials, and it is also from the Cisco, but it is an intermediate level. So you can just enroll to this course also, and I already enrolled to this course, and I already showed the certificate of this course in my previous video. So I will be providing that link in the blog, so you can watch that video and enroll to this course from the Cisco. So this is the fifth course. So now let us go to the sixth course of the cyber security. This is the Cybrary website, and this website is mainly dealing with the courses for the cyber security. But in this website there are not so many free courses, they are paid courses. So I only got the courses which is for free, that is introduction to IT and cyber security. You can enroll to this course by creating an account here, and you can also get the certification, and this is from the Cybrary website. So now let us go to the cyber security for beginners from Heimdall Security, and what you will be getting this here means you have to enter your email here, and you will be getting some of the courses content through the email, and you won't be getting any certification in this course, but it will be like a free cyber security training for 5 weeks. And you can see the ratings here, means review of the student, and it was really impressive, and you can just enroll to this course, and you have to just fill your email address here, and you will be getting the content through the email, and you can learn from that, and you won't be getting any certification. So this is for the seventh course for the cyber security. And now let us go to the blockchain. So now I have shown so many courses on the cyber security, and you can also get more courses on the cyber security, and I also provided some course on the ethical hacking on my WhatsApp group. If you haven't joined that WhatsApp group, then that's not my problem, because I already provided all of the link for the WhatsApp group in all of my videos. So in that I will be providing some of the free Udemy courses which are premium one. So you can just enroll to that course and you can learn from that course. So that's about the cyber security. So now let us go to the blockchain. So as everyone know about the EDX, so I am providing some of the courses from the EDX only. So EDX, as everyone knows, the quality of the learning will be really standard because these courses are from the Harvard, MIT and more of the world's leading universities and some of the companies. So what you can do means you can enroll to any of these courses, but you won't be getting the certification. You have to enroll to this course as an audit, and after that you can access all of the course content until the course period. Means if the course is for 3 months, then you can enroll to that course and you can access all the material for 3 months. So if you want more video on the EDX, how that EDX works and how to access that courses, then you can just comment it down and I will be making an extra video for EDX so that you can understand how that works and how to learn from EDX. And these are the certifications and these are the courses which are for blockchain from the EDX. So you can also get the artificial intelligence and web development, full stack development, all of that courses from the EDX, but they won't be providing the certification. If you want to get a certification, then you have to pay more than 10,000 rupees. So it will be really big amount. So it will be difficult to pay. So this is from the EDX for the blockchain. And from the IBM cognitive class, I am providing another course for the blockchain essential, and this course is a beginner level and you will be having 3 hours of the on-demand video and you will be getting the badge instead of the certificate. Please note that. And this course is from the IBM and you can enroll to this course, and all of the courses link will be provided in the blog. Now after this, I have providing another course on the diploma in blockchain technology and applications. You will be getting more knowledge in this diploma, but the thing is you won't be getting the certificate. You can enroll to this course and you can access this course content, and this course is having 10 to 15 hours of the on-demand video. It is similar to EDX, but there are some slight differences between EDX and Allison. For that I will be making a video on Allison, but if you want to make video on EDX, then you can just comment it down. I will be making video on that also. So now after that I am come up with the blockchain courses from the YouTube, because I think everyone knows about the Edureka, and they provide some of the free courses in the YouTube. Of course you won't be getting any of the certification. You can see here, learn ethical hacking in 10 hours. So you can also get the course for that. You can watch that video and you can learn from that, and but they are not providing any certification for that. So this is from Edureka. And not only Edureka, Simplilearn is another platform which provides free courses and the blockchain full course, and this course is having 4 hours of the content. And let me say they are having website, and in the website they will be providing the courses along with the certification, but that will be paid one. But in YouTube they will be providing free videos, so you can just watch that video and gain knowledge on at least basic knowledge on the blockchain or any of the content which you have used. So the Python course is from Edureka and it is having 12 hours of the content. So if you want to learn Python from scratch, and you can just you can just watch this video and gain the knowledge. And this is for the artificial intelligence. So for artificial intelligence also I have got the request. So for that, from the Edureka they are providing the free course on the artificial intelligence. You can watch that course and gain knowledge. And then the artificial intelligence, and this is another platform called Open Classroom. So here you will be getting the courses and the paths, but the thing is that the courses will be for free and along with the certification, but path won't be for free. So let me show how the path will be. So this is artificial intelligence engineer path. So you can see all of the details, and you can see here you will be having so many projects here. So the project 1, and for that project 1 you have to learn this, and this course is for free. So you can just enroll to this course and gain the knowledge, and you can try by your own, because for this you have to pay money for this project. But you can just enroll to this course and you can also get the certification and you can try this project. And similar in this, for the project 2, you have to learn these two courses, and you can also get the certification of these courses, and you can just try to do the project to gain knowledge, because you won't be getting the project access, because it will be of cost, and how much cost it will be means you can just see it will be really huge amount. And they are not only having the artificial intelligence career path, they are also having so many paths. So let me show whatever the path they are having. So these are the paths which are they having: front end developer, full stack developer, software architect, and digital project manager, web developer, Salesforce developer, iOS developer, Android developer, data analyst, product manager, backend developer, .NET, backend developer, Java. I also got this request on the Java, so I am just showing this pathway. So what you can do means, so here in this you will be getting to know about the projects. Set yourself up for success as a backend developer. So for that you have to learn these three courses. So all these courses, and all these courses will be free, and along with that you will be getting the certification. But the thing is that you won't be getting the access to the project. So all of these pathways which I have shown, you can do that pathway by just enrolling into the courses which are provided here, and gain knowledge and do the project, but you won't be getting the certification of the pathway. The last certification which you can see here, diploma or any certification, yes, diploma in web developer, so you won't be getting that certification. So let us go to the next one. So intro to artificial intelligence, and this course is not having any of the certification, but you will be learning some of the basics here, and it will be taking approximately 4 months, and it is an intermediate level, and this is the syllabus, and you won't get any certification. Now let us go to the next course, that is the machine learning. So artificial and machine learning, these are the on-demand courses at present. So this course is for free, but if you want the certification then you have to pay, but you can just enroll to this course, and without certification you can gain the knowledge. So this is about the machine learning, and that's not the end. You will be having the machine learning course from the Google only. So as everyone knows about the Google developers website, they are providing the free courses on the machine learning, and also the data preparation and future engineering for machine learning, and so many courses they are providing for free. But there is no idea of this certification, because I don't think they will be providing the certification, and from the review I haven't got any certification details, so I don't think they are providing certification, but their knowledge will be of standard level as it is from the Google. And this is about the two courses from the Google, and you can get more courses from the Google also. So now let us go to the introduction to IoT, and I also got the request about the IoT, so I am providing this. So you will be getting the courses from the Stanford, and you can enroll to this course, and this course is having 60-day access to online course, and you will be having 2 months access for this course. You have to finish that course within that. So this is from the Stanford. So now let us go to the Allison. So Allison is also providing the Internet of Things and the cloud, and you can see the number of students enrolled and also the ratings, and it is having 2 to 3 hours of the content, and you will be getting the certification in this course. And also this course is responsible, means you can use and you can learn this course from your mobile also. So this is from the Allison. So now let us go to the Networking Academy Cisco, and they are providing the Introduction to IoT course for free, and you can enroll to that course, and it is having 20 hours of the on-demand videos, and not videos content, because in some of the courses they will be providing documentation, and you have to read that documentation, you can learn and you have to understand from that. So this is about the IoT courses, and how to enroll for this course means I have provided another video in my channel already on the enrolling for the Cisco courses. You can just watch that video and you can enroll to any of the courses which are shown in this video of the Cisco, and I will be providing that link in the blog. So Python for beginners. So I also got the request for the Python, and I also shown some of the courses for free from the Edureka, which is a YouTube video which you can learn and gain knowledge. And I am also showing some of the course like Python for beginners, basics to advanced, and this course is free for 1 day only, and you can enroll to this course. And I also got the request about the database, provide the courses for database. I already provided this link in my WhatsApp group, so I request you to join my WhatsApp group, because there I will be providing the free courses, and I already provided the free courses for the ethical hacking the Android in my WhatsApp group. So that's it for today's video. So hereby 3 courses Mela day 2 has been finished, and some of the courses which you have requested is pending, and that will be provided in the free courses Mela day 3. Please share this video with all of your contacts, and subscribe my channel and support me in the same manner. I will be providing more videos like this. And if you haven't participated in free courses Mela, then you can just participate in free courses Mela by watching my free courses Mela video, which I will be providing in the blog. So all of your course link and all of the information will be provided in the blog, so you can just get all of that in the blog. Thank you guys.